Alrighty guys, so I'm about to mix together some pizza dough. And I'm using my sourdough starter. I am not entirely sure how much to like reduce on everything. So hold on one second. So first I'm going to add like 125 grams of active sourdough starter. And so, oh, that is active. It's way more active in it than I thought it was gonna be. I said 125, right? We're gonna go with that and see what happens. I'm also going to, I'm going to let this bulk ferment in the fridge overnight because I don't think it needs as much time. So I'm going to slow down that fermentation process by putting it in the fridge and go from there. But since we're adding sourdough starter, we're not going to need as much water. So I'm going to reduce the amount of water by like 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup of water. And that's about 140 grams of water. That's 3/4 cup of water. Oh goodness, it smells amazing. Look at that. Look at that glorious, glorious dough. Guys, this is it. God, these look so good. They smell amazing.